You are not creative, right? You struggle to come up with ideas, and when you do, they're just average. But what if I told you there's a hidden switch in your brain that can turn you into a creative genius, even if you never had a creative single idea in your life? Sound like a superpower, right? Well, in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to activate it. Stay till the end because this video might just change how your mind works forever. First, let's talk about why you think you are not creative. Most people believe creativity is something you're either born with or not. That's a complete lie. The reason you struggle with creativity isn't because you lack talent, it's because of how your brain has been trained. Think about it. Since childhood, you have been taught to follow rules, memorize facts, and do things the right way. Creativity, that's not something school or society encourages. You spend years suppressing your natural creative instincts. Now, when you try to come up with new ideas, your brain panics. But here's the truth: the brain is designed for creativity, it just needs to be unlocked. And I'll show you exactly how. Your brain has secret creativity switch in it. The brain has two main thinking modes: focus mode and diffuse mode. Focus mode is for logical tasks like solving math problem, etc. Diffuse mode is for creativity. It connects random ideas to form new ones. Most people are stuck in focus mode for all the time, which is why they struggle with creativity. The secret: you need to trigger diffuse mode. Here's how. Some of the creative breakthrough happens when people are doing nothing. Have you ever noticed how your best ideas come while you are showering, or when you are in the shower, or while walking? That's diffuse mode in action. So instead of forcing creativity, step back and let your brain do the work. Let me show you 3 powerful techniques to generate creative ideas. These are practical methods that anyone can use, literally anyone. Technique number 1, the opposite method. If you want to come up with unique ideas, think in reverse. Let's say you are designing a new product. Instead of thinking about what it should have, ask yourself what it should not have. If you are writing a story, don't start with the hero, start with the villain. This forces your brain to make new connections, leading to unexpectedly creative ideas. Technique number 2, the 20s idea rule. Most people stop with one idea. That's why their creativity never improves. Here's a simple challenge. Each time you need an idea, write down 20 possibilities. Yes, 20. The first 5 will be obvious. The next 5 will be harder. But the time you get to 20, you'll have forced your brain into creativity. Real creative thinking. Try it. It works like a magic. Technique number 3, the change your environment trick. Your surroundings shape your thoughts. Ever notice how working in a coffee shop feels different from working at home? That's because a new environment forces your brain to think differently. If you are stuck, change something. Your location, your music, your lighting, anything, just change something. Even moving to a different chair can make a difference. Creativity thrives on change. Now let me tell you the biggest mistake that you might be making that kills your creativity. The first thing that destroys creativity: perfectionism. Most people think they need to create something amazing on their first try. That's not how creativity works. Every great idea starts as a bad idea. The trick is to get started, even if your first attempt is terrible. Creativity isn't getting it right. It's about exploring, experimenting, and improving day by day. Showing up every single day. Like Einstein, he failed at first, but in the end he succeeded. It's like the same. I know I'm giving a terrible example, but you got my point. How to make creativity a daily habit. If you want to be consistently creative, make it a habit. Here's a simple way to train your brain every day. Set a creativity timer. How to make creativity a daily habit. If you want to be consistently something new, a story idea, a joke, a business concept, here's a simple way to train your brain creativity muscle gets. Set a creativity timer. Creativity is not a challenge, it's a skill. Like any something new, a story idea, joke, a business concept, the more you do this, the stronger your creativity muscle gets. Try at least one of these techniques today. Don't just watch this video and forget it. Like any skill, the more you practice, the better. Let me know in the comments which technique helped you the most. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and turn on notification, because I'll be sharing more brain hacks like this every week. Let's unlock your full potential together. Until next time, keep thinking, keep creating and never stop exploring. Peace.